you asking, why is a toner important? Do I need to use it every day? What toner is best for my skin type? If you're asking these questions, then you come to the right video. I've spent maybe about 50,000 at least on Kbeauty in the last 20 years. And I used to think the more I spend, the better my skin will get. But that wasn't true, and it was only after I understood these fundamental concepts of skincare that I could really stop wasting money and improve my skin with budget-friendly products. So let's get you to do the same. Before I talk about the best toners for your skin type, I want you to first understand whether you even need a toner, what are the benefits of using a toner, and how to apply toners correctly. What does a toner do for you? The benefits of a toner is simply twofold: remove or add. You can remove bad skin cell, impurities, dirt, and or excess oil. Let's call this type of toner a cleansing toner. And second, you can add hydration with a toner. Let's call this type of toner a moisturizing toner. And a third role, I'm not going to talk a lot about this in this video, is balancing your pH level. A toner can do this for you, but if you're using a good enough cleanser, chances are it's already doing that for you, and you don't need to balance your pH level again with a toner. Also, almost all types of toners that I've seen are low acidic toners, which is the pH level you want. So I don't see pH level balance as a determining factor when it comes to a toner selection. But just make sure you do have pH balance covered, either with your cleanser or with a toner. So should you pat or wipe with a toner? Well, that depends on your skincare goal. When you use a wiping motion, the physical friction itself is basically a gentle exfoliation to your skin. So whenever you apply a physical force, even when you're rubbing a cleanser on your face, that's helping remove superficial skin. We talked about cleansing toner and hydrating toner. If you're wiping with a cleansing toner, not only the chemical characteristics of the toner itself, but also the physical motion are helping get rid of whatever you don't want on your face. So wiping with a cleansing toner would be a way to maximize removal of things. Following the same logic, if what you have is a moisturizing toner, you can still wipe and get a little bit of exfoliation with it. You're just not removing oils or any makeup residue chemically, but you are getting rid of them physically a little bit. If you do a double or triple cleansing before applying a toner, then do not wipe with a toner again. That is too much friction for your skin for the day. And after the double cleansing, there should be really nothing more for you to remove anyways. Another application method is patting your toner down. Patting, simply enough, will help your skin absorb whatever you're applying. Patting down a cleansing toner will help melt away impurities from your skin when absorbed, while patting down a moisturizing toner will help you hydrate. Some of you might be skipping a toner because you feel the dryness after a few seconds or minutes of applying a toner, even if it says it's a moisturizing toner. That's understandable, but that does not mean the toner is not doing its job. A toner has lower molecular weight than a moisturizer, and that means it can get into deeper into your skin and hydrate you from within. So while the surface of your skin is not moisturized, the inner part is, and therefore helping you restore your skin barrier. Damaged skin barrier is why your skin feels dry to begin with. So it's important to moisturize and restore your skin barrier, which a toner can do. Not many moisturizers can do that. Moisturizers are mostly for the surface of your skin. If you have dry skin, I recommend multiple applications of patting down a moisturizing toner. I keep hearing these 10-step Korean beauty skincare routine in the US, in the Western world. That's totally bullshit, and it's all a marketing tactic. Koreans stopped doing that a long time ago. In fact, a skincare product diet is a big trend in Korea because Korean consumers have figured out more products do not equal better result. They've done everything and they figured out it doesn't work. So do not get those 10 different products. Do not buy those Kbeauty boxes. Most of them include outdated and abrasive products anyways, at least the ones that I've seen. Just get a few items with clean ingredients that your skin does need and do multiple applications as needed. Okay, I digress. Back to patting and application method. An advanced version of patting is doing a mini mask. I've seen K-pop stars using cotton pads to give themselves a mini mask. And how you do this is you saturate a cotton pad with a toner and just put them on your face, and that's it. But the cotton pads here should be thin. You see how thin this one is? The most common cotton pads in the Western hemisphere they're too thick that the pads will take away most of your toner. And that's not what we want. We want to nourish our skin, not the pads. So get a thinner one. I'll link a few popular ones below. When you do a mini mask, do it for a few minutes, up to maybe 10 minutes, but definitely take it off before your skin feels dry. What's amazing about doing a mini mask with a cleansing toner is that it will help you observe those cleansing ingredients, which need a little bit of time on your skin to do their job. So it's great for that. And doing a mini mask with a hydrating toner will help hydrate your skin better than just patting it down, because mini mask is basically an advanced version of helping your skin observe stuff. Here are my product recommendations by skin type. I agonized over this list over a week. There are so many clean, effective, and well-priced products out there. But since one goal of this video is to help you improve your skin while on a budget, I've come up with a list of versatile products that you can use both in the morning and at night, so you don't have to get multiple toners. Okay, here was my selection process. I picked products with clean ingredients. For the morning application, I assumed you would want to smooth out your skin of impurities like dead skin and balance water and oil content, because the best secret to makeup well done is great skin to begin with. And even if you don't wear makeup, a regular clean out of skin flakes will help you avoid having to do a strong, abrasive exfoliation. So you still want to give it a quick wipe once in a while. I wear makeup only once a week, but I use a toner every day for this reason. Some other considerations I took into account are expert analysis and Korean consumer reviews, and obviously my own analysis went into it. Okay, so let's start with dry skin. I used to have extremely dry skin. Now it's somewhere between combination and normal skin, and you can start to normalize skin as well. And to do that, for dry skin folks, what you want is hydration and gentle exfoliation. That's because dry skin tends to generate more dead skin. That's our body's way of protecting our skin. So a regular gentle removal of those skin flakes is highly recommended instead of doing a strong full-on exfoliation all in one day, because that will leave your skin even drier long term. So it will be a vicious cycle. My first recommendation for dry skin is Cosrx Full Fit Propolis Synergy Toner. This toner is on a thicker side. It's a toner and essence in one. The formula is not sticky. And I looked at the ingredients list, and this toner is full on for moisturization. It will get your skin moisturized. It has a high concentration of active ingredients that are helpful for hydration. 72.6% propolis extract and 10.7% honey extract. That is high. So I recommend this product, especially for people with extremely dry skin or people with moderately dry skin, but during winter when there's a lot of harsh wind and heater usage. While the chemical makeup of this product is focused on hydration and will not provide chemical exfoliation, you can still get that exfoliation effect by wiping with it, as we discussed. Or alternatively, you can use it in combination with a gentle exfoliator once in a while. My second recommendation for dry skin is S Nature Aqua Oasis Toner. This is a multifunctional cleansing and hydrating toner all in one, good for both morning and night. It clears your skin and then fills with moisture, all with minimal number of ingredients. With PHA and papaya extract, it gives an irritation-free cleansing of sebum and superficial skin, so it's great for morning use. For hydration, it offers eight types of hyaluronic acid, HA for short, because it's hard for me to pronounce that word. Why is that good? Because the molecular weight of HA determines the depth of delivery into the skin, which means HA with lower molecular weight, meaning it's smaller, it will penetrate deeper beneath the surface of the skin, whereas HA with higher molecular weight, it's bigger, so it will sit on the surface of your skin. If you have dry skin, you need to restore your skin barrier, which is deeper into our skin. So this product has eight different molecular weights of HA, meaning it can hydrate you from both inside and out. So the makeup of this product is simple and include effective active ingredients. And the reviews are great. It's one of the top selling toners in Korea right now. Make sure you layer and do multiple applications if needed. Okay, so for my oily skin friends, what you need is less oil on your face. A good balance of oil and water is always desired, and when you have too much oil, that basically clogs your pores, and a clogged pore becomes blackhead or whitehead. If those get infected and inflamed, that becomes pimples and acne. So we want to tackle the source of the problem, which is the excess oil. To reduce oils, I recommend this Spring Green Tea Tree Cica Soothing Toner. It has only 17 ingredients, which are great. With tea tree, it will reduce the excess oil and treat acne with its germ-fighting ability. It will help calm the skin and reduce redness. What did we just learn about acne? It's infected and inflamed, right? So it's the tea tree's antibacterial properties combat the infection, and reducing redness is great for the inflammation. The AHA ingredient in this product will help remove that skin, and it also has moisturizing ingredients such as butylene glycol and other types of glycol. Centella asiatica, also known as Cica. This is a soothing and healing agent, which is great. We want that after treating the skin with breakouts and acne, or rubbing your face a lot with double cleansing. So we want to soothe our skin back to normal. Another plus with this product is it feels cool because of the tea tree. This is a nice plus, but in general, I recommend not relying on how things feel. I mean, obviously, if your skin feels irritated or if you feel stingy or itchy, that's a sign to stop using a product. But if you're treating product just because it feels nice or smells nice, that instant gratification is much less important when it comes to skincare than the actual benefits and ingredients of a product. But we are humans. We like things to feel nice and smell nice, so that's nice to have. I do not recommend this product for people with sensitive skin because tea tree sometimes causes irritation for some. Another recommendation for oily skin who always do double cleansing is Torriden Dive-In Low Molecule Hyaluronic Acid Toner. If you already do a thorough cleansing, as in you're stripping your skin of all the oil there is, that means you're likely stripping away moisture from your skin as well. A cleanser does not know if it's taking away oil or moisture from your skin. So that double or triple cleansing routine you're doing, it's not only taking dirt away, but also moisture away from your skin. Koreans don't always do double cleansing, by the way. That's a total myth. I'll cover that in another video. Anywho, if you have that double cleansing regimen, then this toner will help inject hydration back into your skin with 5 different types of hyaluronic acid, as I explained why in the dry skin section of this video. For people with dehydrated oily skin, I highly recommend this product too. Dehydrated oily skin it's oily on the outside, but your skin feels tight and dry inside. And because of that, you need to hydrate your skin from within, not on the surface level. So you want a toner with a lower molecular weight hyaluronic acid because a moisturizer will mostly give you moisture at the very top of your surface skin. Okay, now for a more complex situation, combination skin. I also have a combination skin, and guys, we need to remove oil from the T-zone while hydrating the rest. I know it sucks, but until we normalize our skin, we need to do different treatments for the oily part and the dry part of your face. Meaning, follow the advice for the oily skin people for the T-zone or wherever it's oily, and follow the advice for dry people for the rest of your face. We need to do this especially when it comes to cleansers, serums, and moisturizers. However, the good news is that when it comes to toners, a lot of products are versatile, so you don't have to get 2 different toners. For example, the S Nature Aqua Oasis Toner, I recommend it for dry skin. It's also good for combination skin because it removes oil and dirt while providing moisture too. Alternatively, what you can do is balancing your skin during the cleansing step and using a hydrating toner for your entire face. This is what I do. I cleanse the oily part of my skin with a cleansing oil. I even use a flat foundation brush to help with detailed cleansing inside the pores. And then I do a cleansing foam for my entire face. After this step, my skin should be pretty much balanced, as in my T-zone doesn't have too much oil anymore. So then all I need is hydration for the entirety of my face. And I use this moisturizing toner called the Let by Blanc du Oligo Hyaluronic Acid 5000 Toner. In the packaging, it says it's hyaluronic acid with very small molecular mass, meaning it will hydrate me from within, restoring my skin barrier, therefore helping me normalize my dry skin. Last but not least, my sensitive skin friends. There's a debate about whether sensitive skin is a skin type or just a symptom of certain skin types. To me, it doesn't really matter. What's important is looking at why behind the problems and tackling those root causes. So a sensitive skin may fall into these 3 different categories. First is inflammation. If you have infection and inflammation, then that may appear as acne, pimples, and breakouts. Second, a damaged skin barrier. If your skin barrier is weak and damaged, then you may have very dry skin or even atopic dermatitis. Third, you may have hypersensitivity. Some people get redness just from washing their face with water. People with hypersensitivity may experience redness, itchiness, and stinginess. So considering these root causes and symptoms, you want something soothing and moisturizing for your skin. My recommendation for people with sensitive skin is Abib Heartleaf Calming Toner and doing a mini mask or patting it down. Don't wipe unless necessary. It has some gold extract, which will help cool down your skin. You can also put this or any toner in the fridge for that cooling effect. It has Cica, fermented ingredients, and panthenol. All of these work together to rebuild the skin barrier and soothe your skin. The xylitol and hyaluronic acid provide hydration, which likely you need if you have sensitive skin. It's also at low acidic pH level. pH balance is something you want to make sure you have if you have sensitive skin, whether from a cleanser or a toner. It has high enough percentage of active ingredients, but not too high that it will irritate your skin. And its ingredients are so simple and clean. So give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works out for you. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. That tells me you found this helpful and gives me a reason to create more educational and helpful content. Let me know in the comments any questions about toners or anything else about skincare. And most importantly, remember that you're beautiful just as you are. Don't tell anyone else tell you otherwise. See you in the next video.